beauties, it's your girl Cherie, and we're back with another video. We're in my shower. So we are here to tackle the 7-day wash and go from the Mono's hair video that I did. It is very frizzy, very dry, and very tangled. I'm going to show you how I get my super coily, dry, frizzy, tangled hair from that to this easy to manage and detangle state with very minimal effort on wash day. If you're interested, please keep watching. So let me start by introducing the star of the show. Today I am using an avocado co-wash bar from Lush Organic. Now I had never heard of a co-wash bar, but here we are with it in my shower. I really enjoy using that, and it just, when I told you, it smells like this amazing, like heavenly tropical garden with butterflies and unicorn. Like, it smells delicious, like it smells edible. But let's get down to what you guys came to see and hear, and that is not about how delicious smelling this co-wash bar is, but my secret weapon to detangling my hair on wash day with minimal effort. And you are looking at it. The first step on wash day for me is getting in the shower, turning up the water as warm as I can stand it, as warm as is as comfortable to my skin, and letting my hair soak in water until it is fully saturated. Don't be afraid, sis. Water is our friend, our best friend when it comes to wash day. There is literally no reason to struggle in the shower detangling your hair when the one product you need for this is right there with you. If you think about it as another hair care product like your favorite detangler, you would be on the right track, because that's what it naturally does. Let it sit and run through your hair just a good 5 to 10 minutes. Let your hair get saturated. If you're low porosity, you got to sit for a minute to let it actually penetrate your strands. And then you actually want to run it or smooth it over your hair, over your strands, like just as if you were putting on a leave-in conditioner or deep conditioner or something. You want to use the water in this manner. And you see, I have not picked up a comb or a brush or a tangle teaser or anything yet. I'm just using the water, and I'm able to separate my hair into several sections without any issues. No snagging or tangling or anything like that. Now about this bar, I didn't know if it was going to be more moisturizing versus cleaning, or more cleaning versus moisturizing. And so I was like, am I going to have to follow this up with some other cleanser afterwards? And that wasn't an issue at all. There's a little bit of a learning curve. There's some people who try to use this for the hair and just like rub it in their head, and it didn't work out for them quite as well. But what you have to do is kind of get it wet and rub your hands over it and like let some of it rub off, and then you can apply it to your scalp and actually get a decent wash going. Now this co-wash contains mostly natural ingredients, but even though they say it's a co-wash bar, it contains sulfates. And so there's a little confusion with that, because most cleansers that are considered to be co-washes do not have sulfates, or they say they're sulfate free. However, I was not offended or turned off by the sulfates. I like to wash my hair with sulfates. I like to get all the product buildup removed from my hair, especially being low porosity. And I usually prefer a more cleansing wash over something that is just going to lightly cleanse my hair. So that didn't bother me. My hair didn't feel stripped afterwards. It felt lovely and soft, and it felt normal. And then the avocado bar co-wash bar was moisturized into my hair. You see I got some definition like once I put it in my hair. This doesn't leave a squeaky clean feeling. It leaves your hair feeling cleansed. However, it feels moisturized, which is probably mainly due to the avocado. You guys didn't make this stuff from scratch, so I guess I can see why they charge what they charge for it. I watched a video with the entire process and it's very thorough. Some of the ingredients include freshly chopped avocados, cocoa butter, and I'll put a full description of the ingredients and a link to the video that I watched where you can see how they make it in the video description box below. Now, after I coat my hair with the co-wash, I just like to put them into twist in their separate sections. Just makes it easier for me to manage and cleanse my scalp. And then I rinse those sections off one by one with water. And you can see the shampoo is gone, and I'm following it up with one of my favorite deep conditioners. It is the Aussie Moist Deep Condition. I use it sometimes as a regular conditioner, but most of the time I deep condition and I just apply it to my sections liberally. I don't put, the giant glob that most naturals do. I'm just kidding. But I put a reasonable, quarter size amount per section of hair. And I just make sure my hair is saturated from roots to the tips, or the tips to the roots. And you see, I still have yet to apply a comb or detangling tool. Now, once I've completely applied the deep conditioner to each section of hair and kind of raked it through, I am going to sit in the steamy shower with my plastic conditioning cap. You can use a plastic bag if you don't have one of these handy. It really doesn't make a huge difference. And I'm going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will see you guys when I return. And we're back. I love using Aussie Moist because it has great slip and it makes it easier when I'm ready to detangle for me to detangle my hair. And I start off by finger detangling my hair. So that is one way to lessen the amount of friction and snagging and breakage when you detangle your hair, is by finger detangling. Now, once I'm satisfied with how detangled it is with my fingers, then I bring out the big guns and I use my tangle teaser to get out any of the smaller tangles that there may be. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it is gliding through my hair all the way up to the root, which I was really surprised about because I'm usually not able to go in at the root and actually comb through or brush through all of those strands. After I've rinsed out the deep conditioner, then it is time to apply the leave-in, and you guys know my new favorite now. I'm still hanging on to that packet. That Mielle organic, I don't know if it's organics anymore, it doesn't say organics on the packet, but the Mielle honey pomegranate line leave-in conditioner has amazing slip as well. Makes my hair feel super moisturized, and applying it in the shower is the best because that's when you have the most hydration on your hair because you're right there with the water. I apply this to each section liberally, maybe a little more than I need to. A little does go a long way with this as well. You can see, my definition at the end of my twist there. And I just make sure each section is evenly coated before I twist and finish up. Now that pretty much sums up how I wash or co-wash, deep condition and detangle my hair in the shower with minimal effort And I did insert a clip here of my shed hair. This is actually pretty normal for me after about a week of not detangling or washing my hair.
Okay, so we are out of the shower. I don't know if I'm ever going to record in the shower again. The bathroom floor is drenched. How do you guys... And I put a towel down on the floor. How do you guys record in the shower? I don't understand. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that because it's probably going to be the last time that I do a shower video. The recording itself wasn't bad, but the mess that I have to deal with after is... I don't know if it's worth it. You guys let me know if you enjoyed that. I just wanted to come on and say a few things before I end the video. It was just a wash day. I wanted to feature the Cowash bar that I got from Lush Organics. My husband actually went and purchased it for me and totally surprised me with it. It smells so good, you guys. This is like amazing, like tropical, lemony, citrusy, fruity goodness. And then when you put it in your hair, it has like a minty kind of, I think it's the rosemary. That's what it is. There is a bunch of good stuff in here. Now the way that they sell this, it's not like one price. Like it's sold by weight. I guess the number of grams you get. Like if you get 3.5 ounces, it's $15.95. He ended up paying $20 for this. I'm like, what? You paid $20 for a Cowash bar? This better be the most amazing thing ever in life. I'm serious. I personally wouldn't, but he likes to, do things like that. So I love him though. And you just, I'm keeping it in here. I don't want it to rub off on my hands again. I'm getting ready to style my hair. But I'm gonna keep it in there so it doesn't melt down anymore because $20 for this bar. Yeah, I need to get at least 10 more washes out. Okay. So if there was a sale for it online, I would possibly pick it up. Like if the sale was like half the price, like if it was like a $10 shampoo or Cowash bar, I'd pick it up. But $20 for that and it melts, I don't know if I could do that. But I do like my results. My wash day was easy, even with me having 7-day wash and go hair. And the very last day, I kind of just let it stay in a puff for like 24 hours. So very tangly. Just want you to see how easy and painless your wash days can be. Look, my hair is detangled. It's shiny. It's conditioned. I was able to comb through from the root. I can never comb through my hair from the root. Okay guys, that is it. That is it for my wash day routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any tips on what makes your wash day routine and detangling process easier, please let me know down below. Drop some comments, share with your neighbors. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you have hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to future videos. If you like this content, also let me know. And if you find that this may be helpful for someone, feel free to please go ahead and share it. That's all I have for you today. Continue to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine.